Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. If you're like me, you want to utilize all of the available storage space inside your Model Y. I have a product here today that's going to help you take advantage of that space in the trunk when you're going on road trips, or you just need that little extra room that you might not have in the back. Let's get into it. So we're here at the frunk of my Model Y, and I have a really awesome luggage set for my friends over at Tesloid. They sent this over to me. I had an opportunity to review their Gen 2 camping tent earlier this year. There'll be a link to that down in the description below. And I absolutely love that tent. Super high quality materials, made it super comfortable to go camping, and I really enjoyed it. And so we were looking to see what other kind of accessories we could use to go camping, to go on road trips, and these really stood out. These are some awesome front luggage bags that are custom tailored and custom designed to fit the inside of your Model Y front. So let's get into it here. That comes really nicely packaged. Some of the package out of the way, you have a carrying canvas bag to help store them in. Open these up. Kind of set the bag over up to the side here. Here you go. Two kind of really nice, kind of high quality, made from that vegan leather that you'll find inside your Tesla. A really nice luggage set embossed with the Tesloid logo. And let's take a look at the inside. They're a lot deeper than you originally think when you open them up. So let's check it out. Really nice kind of lining on the inside, if you can see some of that. Really great kind of branded Tesloid lining. That TS logo is really nice. And just a really nice high quality luggage set. So you can see how deep it is. It's probably almost a foot deep, I would say. And when you fill these up all the way, they fit custom and perfectly right inside the front of your Model Y. So this one will fit kind of over on the right. And when you load up this bag over here, this is kind of the one on your left. If you're like me and you travel with your wife, you'll find that your bag often has some of her stuff in it as well. So I want to do a little test. I want to fill these up as if we're going on a road trip, bring them back down here and see how they fit inside our Model Y. So let's go get into the test, and we'll come back after we get these filled up. All right, so we got these loaded up for our pretend weekend road trip here. The first thing my wife said when she saw these bags was, wow, those are huge. And I agree. These are super large. This front can fit a ton of stuff. And when you have it nicely packed away in really nice bags like this, it really makes a difference. So a couple features that I want to point out still. These have really nice reinforced carry handles on both sides, as well as a shoulder strap. If you want to kind of do like a shoulder strap carry with a nice shoulder protector here, as well as some really nice clip buckles that fit in there. But let's throw these in the frunk. Let's see how they fit, and we'll kind of wrap this up. Now, putting these in the frunk, you'll see that they are kind of custom tailored. So there's a little kind of angle on one side that kind of conforms to the angle of the frunk here. Let's throw this one in over here on the right side. That's my wife's, which obviously takes up the most room. And over here on the left is going to be my bag. This fits down right inside next to it. Those look great. Those are going to fit in there perfectly. I think you have plenty of room for where your front closes. And they're really nice bags. You fit a ton of clothes, all the stuff you'll need for a nice weekend getaway, and then have your entire back area nice and full as well. Now that we got them all loaded up, let's see how it closes with the front. Perfect. No issues at all. Well, that about wraps this one up. Really nice, really high quality luggage bags from Tesloid. I'm a big fan. They're really well made. The zippers are really high quality construction. They're custom fit to fit the inside of your frunk. Really nice kind of vegan leather material that seems like it'll hold up for a long time. These aren't just cheap luggage bags that'll fall apart after you use them for the first time, or like a cheap duffel. These will fit really well in your frunk, give you a lot of years of use. We're definitely going to use these when we go on road trips, when we go camping. Having this area kind of designated for your clothes, keep one as dirty clothes, keep one as clean. It's going to be a really great use for us. So I really appreciate Tesloid sending these over to me. As always, links to these products as well as that tent review video down in the description. It'd be great if you could check both of those out. Thank you guys for stopping by the channel again. Feel free to like and subscribe, and we'll catch you in the next one.